Hello, welcome to today's composing trick. Not really a trick, more of a present for you. I'm going to give you 7 heroic chord progressions. They're all 4 chord progressions and you can loop them around, or you could stick one next to the other, making an 8 chord progression. Do whatever you like with it. You are not going to infringe copyright on me or anybody else. Everybody uses 4 chord progressions similar to these 7 I'm going to show you. What I'll also do is put a time link in the description to the 7, so you can use this as a reference if you bookmark it and come back, click a random one in the description and use that as the basis for your next tune if that's how you choose to work. Also work for inspiration. If you're stuck, just pick a random one, flick through the videos and see which one emotionally resonates with you at the time you are composing. So just to let you know what's going on, I've got Albion 1 strings, the Epic Choir from Spitfire and Abbey Road 1 Grand Brass. I'm going to be playing them all at the same time. They're all on long expressions, so you'll get that sort of heroic-y orchestral sound coming out. The way that I play, I will show you the keyboard as I play them, so you'll see how I have put them together, but obviously that will change how they sound as well. Also on screen, what I'll do is I will put the chords on the screen. These are all going to be in the key of C, but next to it I'll also put which degree of the scale each of the chords is. So technically you could play it in any key and just work it out from the chord numbers. If it's a uppercase Roman numeral, then that's a major chord. If it's a lowercase Roman numeral, that's a minor, but it'll also be obvious from looking at the actual chord names in the key of C. Ready to get started? Okay, I'll leave a little bit of a gap between each one so your ears don't get used to the one you've just heard, but if you're just flicking through these using the links in the description, it won't make any difference. So here's the first one we're going to go with, and let's get the keys in focus. So we're going to go C, G, A minor and F. It's that simple. You'll have heard that loads and loads of times before. Let's move on to number 2. Again, starting on a C. We're using C, F, D minor and G. That's quite a nice, hopeful one. Let's change it up a bit and let's start on the 6th chord, which in the key of C is A minor. So this time we're going to use A minor, F, C and G. Again, you'll have heard that loads and loads of times before. Let's mix it up again and start on the 2nd, the minor 2nd. So we've got D minor, F, A minor and G. Let's go to the A minor again. So for this one, we've got A minor, C, G and D minor. That's a bit sadder because you've got 2 minor chords in it. Number 6, let's put a major 2nd chord. So we're going to use a D major at the end here. So we've got A minor, E minor, bit sad, but then we're going to go G and D. That's quite nice. Let's do another one with a major second chord at the end, we'll use A minor, F, G and D. There you go. 7 chord progressions to get you started on any sort of heroic tune. Pick one, stick with it, repeat it, maybe change occasionally. And don't forget, like and subscribe is always appreciated if you find this sort of stuff useful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.